Things change, and the new numbers showing us how much of North Texas, the housing market there is actually slowing down.
Live from Dallas and Fort Worth, this is CBS 11 News at 10.
But the North Texas housing market is seeing some changes. The number of homes on the market continues to grow as sellers are having a tougher time getting the offers they actually want.
This is not what we heard a few months ago, right?
No.
CBS 11's J.D. Miles in Plano tonight with what that all means and also an idea to get around those current high mortgage interest rates.
This is a 4-bedroom house for sale in Plano. It's one of about 2,500 currently on the market in Collin County. What happened during an open house here over the weekend is something North Texas real estate agents say they haven't seen in years.
So under 500 in Plano with a pool is a great buy.
Selling a house like this used to be a piece of cake for veteran Collin County real estate agents like Kimberly Woodard.
Oh, a year ago, it would have been gone the same day.
But Woodard says this well-cared-for home in West Plano, for sale at a bargain price, went through a busy open house weekend, still unsold.
We had over 30 groups through. I mean, it was a non-stop activity. Would have thought there would be an offer on it, and we don't.
With interest rates on home mortgages approaching 6%, buyers are having to slash prices, while sellers are becoming squeamish.
Now we're seeing them taking their time.
But Woodard and others in the industry say there are ways around high interest rates. One idea involves an incentive for sellers to help buyers.
The seller now will buy their interest rate down with what is called points.
J.P. Therio is a mortgage advisor who says a seller now faced with lowering their home price significantly can instead reduce it only a little and use a small portion of the sale revenue to help the buyer get a lower interest rate through what's called buying down points.
They can still net a good portion of what they want to, and at the same time, the buyer now can have a lower payment because the seller's willing to pay down and buy their rate down.
I think even with the higher interest rate, remember you're marrying the house, not your financing.
North Texas remains one of the fastest growing regions in the nation, which real estate agents say should sustain the housing market during this slowdown. In Plano tonight, J.D. Miles, CBS 11 News.
J.D., thank you, sir.